Hi everyone, welcome. In today's video I have Apple Beats Pill and I'm going to show you how can you easily forget them from your iPhone. Let's get started. At first you have to scroll down to your control panel, hold your finger on Bluetooth and click Bluetooth settings. As you can see, we are now connected to our Beats Pill. We have to click Info, scroll down, and as you can see there is Forget this device. We have to click Forget this device and Forget device. We have to confirm our... and as you can see, now it's done. Now we can turn off our speaker. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.